Welcome to Nick Kids Drawing. Today, we're gonna draw the most beautiful Pokémon with coloring step by step. Let's start drawing first. I'm drawing the ears. The face. I'm drawing the eyes. The nose. I'm drawing the mouth. The tongue. It's time